the process of diagnosis, but once you've been told that this is it, this is what you're suffering from, and it is at this stage, how does that impact your life?
Thank you so much, Trevor. My name is Nana Kilemi. I'm a mother of two. I'm a breast cancer champion, and I'm also a founder and I'm board chair of an organization, the Cancer Health Initiative. I was diagnosed last year, August 1st, and my doctor said that I'm cancer-free 3rd of August this year. So it exactly took 1 year, and I was treated here in Kenya for my treatment, and I'm in total remission. What happened after diagnosis? Of course, there's a lot of fear. I was clearly scared, and the fact that I also lost my breast at 42 years. That was a clear torture, and today it is still a clear torture. It is so clear on my mind. That is why I have this. This is a breast. This is a crocheted breast, Kenyans. And I give all women who have been affected by breast cancer this for free, because I know what it felt for me to lose a breast, to get out of that theater. And the stigma was so real. And even today it is so real that people tell us why we are few here is because many of us are stuck in the houses. We don't talk about it. We don't want to talk about cancer or deal about cancer. Because if I tell Trevor will tell me on my face that Nana, cancer is never cured. Cancer is never permanently cured. So there's a lot of stigma. And please, I want to tell our people, cancer si uchawi, cancer si laana, cancer si ile maneno umefanya. Cancer is a disease like any other. Please get people out of homes, because I'm telling you, guys, people are stuck in the houses, locked in the houses by relatives, because they are scared that cancer is not curable. Pelekeni watu hospitali. Number 2, there is something which happens to all of us. They will agree with me. Now you have to become a doctor of your own. You have to know what you're going to eat. Now this is now touches in advocacy. You have to Google about your diet. How many of us can afford nutritionist? You have to think about your diet. Okay. You have to get about your medication. Yeah. Number 3, there is survivorship. After healing, Nana has been healed. Then what happens? You go for interview, Trevor. And you know now, like me, my story is everywhere on my social media handles. Everyone knows I'm a breast cancer survivor. And employers are looking at it. Is cancer curable? What if we employ... You know, you can just read your mind. Yeah. People are thinking, what if we employ her, she dies tomorrow?
Okay. We'll come to treatment in just a bit, Nana. But for now, let's cross over to...